Machine. Made from heavier yarns, Raschel knits are used for manufacturing versatile and flexible fabrics. These are more textured and can be used for a wide range of technical textile applications, such as automotive textiles, home textiles, lingerie, mosquito nets, lightweight coating substrates, sportswear, swimwear, lining fabrics, outerwear, etc. Different types of single and double needle bar Raschel machines are built today for the production of a wide variety of products ranging from sacks to artificial blood vessels. Seamless tubular fabrics, pile fabrics and many other special fabrics can easily be produced in double needle bar machine by using 4 to 6 guide bars. But by using more number of guide bars, 16 and above, production of branching tubular fabrics such as artificial blood vessels, patterned pantyhose etc. and shaped innerwear is no more a problem. Warp knitted spacer fabric, WKSF, is a three-dimensional textile which is also made by a double needle bar Raschel machine.